Morning reality buzzers, morning members. So this video is going to go to the members only. Listen, guys. So yesterday I did a video where I was talking about the lady that had commented on Mom Coco's TV about them Selekus. This is not the first time that this lady comments, and also she has commented on other videos as well on YouTube. So when you search her name with Uthando Nesithembu, because she will be sounding like she knows a little bit of information, you will see what I uh, discovered yesterday when you search her name. Now, the lady is associated with one of Mselegu's business associates, and we saw her in early seasons. If I'm not mistaken, it's season one, you guys, where she's sitting with Mselegu. They're talking about the book. I think they were going to relaunch one of Mselegu's books, and they've got T-shirts and caps there to talk about, what they were going to do with the merchandise, the thanks merchandise. So she is one of the people, like sort of business partners from Selego Parts. You guys, when it comes to the book, she helped Selego to write the book. You know, I think she might possibly have been the one that wrote Mosam Selego's book. Okay, now you guys, why this lady is important is because she worked with Mselego when they started the show, even before they started the show, because the book came before the show. The show was inspired by the book that Mseleko had written about. It wasn't Uthando Nesithembu, Impilo Nesithembu. I think that's the name of the book. So she had helped Mseleko with that book, you guys. Now, why this lady is important is because if she was there before season one and she was there after season one, she's the one that can collaborate the story sika Mr. Nchebeshe and Mr. Kumede. If Kumede and Nchebeshe were there when season one was created, she is the one that can collaborate that story. Okay. Has she done it? I don't know. You know, I don't know. You understand? If she has collaborated the story. But because I don't know, I believe Musa and Kumede's story. Now, remember, Gumede did come on my comment section. By the way, I've been trying to find him. I don't even think he has social media. So I was like, we need a chat there. So he came on my comment section and said, and the correction, Musam Sedek doesn't owe us 200,000 rands, both of us together. No, he owes us. He was supposed to pay Jabesh 200,000 rand, and he was supposed to pay Gumede 200,000 rand, and then he was supposed to give them 2% each of the thanks mark. Guys, can you imagine what the percentage in Ghana that he could have given them? Hey, maybe that's why he's having a stroke, Msele. Because remember, he interviewed Anjabeshe was last year. So maybe it was around the time that Musa Jabeshe did the interview that he ended up having a stroke. Because they were shooting the show at the time, I believe. Now, you guys, so I'm saying that this woman will be the one to say, was Musa there? The other Musa was Lakeli there? Mr. Komede? Did they help produce the show? Did they help to pitch the show? Um, all of that. Okay. So that's why I was saying this lady is important. But I won't post the pictures, especially public, you guys, because as much as she would look like she wants to reveal some information about the family, maybe the reason she doesn't come out like and just tell everything is because she maybe she still works with them, she still does business with them, and you don't want to jeopardize. We're not about jeopardizing people's businesses and careers and all of that, you know. And maybe she will stop commenting, and we will stop getting the tips that we get from her comment section. Okay. What did I want to say? Oh yes. Now I'm saying she can collaborate. Musa and Kumede's story, but also she can tell us about the relationship, the money relationship between her and Muselego, because she had written a book for Musa Mselego. And there is a story there about Musa Mselego and the payment for the work that she had done at the time, you know. But the thing about her is that she had shot a show with Musa Mselego, so it wouldn't have been easy for Musa Mselego to be like, no, you were not there, because we shot an episode where I was telling the people that I helped you to write the book. So, you know, in this comment, you guys, that I was talking about yesterday, she's talking about Makumalo being the one that is like a finance person for the family. You know, Makumalo had revealed that in earlier seasons to say when they had Umdlalo Lodge. I mentioned this in my live yesterday that when they had Umdlalo Lodge, she had mentioned Makumalo that Umacele used to do events for the lodge and she used to do finance. So I'm guessing that even in other businesses, Umakumalo handles the finance for the business, you know. Now, the comment makes an indication that Makumalo pays everyone, you know. So it means that maybe after they watch the show, they maybe they don't get paid directly, the wives, maybe it's paid to the family bank account and then they are paid by Makumalo. Here's the thing, you guys. Mangwabe is a nurse, and Kumalo is complaining about Mangwabe not being really that interested in family business and bringing the family together. She's not that interested. Is a nurse, busy with her own stuff. She has the entertainment space in Akaka, and she's very busy. Okay. Then we have Umayeni, who, if it wasn't for the other members of the family, she really just wouldn't even be on TV, you know. And it would look like Miley does TV mainly because it's something that the family does. It makes us money. It's gonna look weird if I don't do it, so let me do it. That's why have half the seasons Uma Yeni was always playing on her phone like, okay guys, I'm just here to support, but I would rather not. Okay, and then Umaceleke obviously support because anything that they can do so that she doesn't have to work, you know, Macele would do. Now I say this to say if I was in that setting, I'm go because maybe because I work in finance, I would probably now and again be like, guys, like, can you see the books? You know, where are the financial statements? How much did we have in the bank? How much did the broadcaster pay us? You know, how much did each of us get? Those who are cast members and also in production, then what did you guys get? Are the kids? I would be interested in that. Okay, I doubt if the other wives ever ask for the financial statements for the company. Okay, so nobody's really going to know, are they paid fairly? Are they paid equally? You know, and what we know for sure is that they are paid, and are they paid equally? Obviously, some of them look like they have more money than the others. It might be that because Makumalo also does take gigs as a MC and what maybe, but I would still want to see those financial statements. The comment indicates that Makumalo might be the one that pays the people, and maybe if there is extra, you know, that's how I understand the comment. She might not have meant that way, but that's how I understand the comment, you guys. But it looks like she is that payroll clerk for the family. Now, with Mayeni gone, you guys, I know people are saying, how can you do Beoshin and all of that? Let me tell you something. There's nothing that would frustrate me more than having somebody like a co-wife being in control of finances in my marriage. I just wouldn't be able to take it. So the frustrations sometimes I understand them for that reason. Okay, it's unlikely, you guys, that this woman would come out and tell on them because I do believe as it is now, maybe they don't owe her anything. You know, maybe if they did, if they ended up not paying her, like they didn't pay Unjabesha, maybe she will be out here telling on them. So, and it wouldn't be good for her because if she's a businesswoman, she still wants to get into business with other people. Other people are going to be like, "How when the deal goes bad, you tell on people, you understand?" Yes, it does. That's why I was saying yesterday that we need that woman. But I also doubt that we're ever gonna get her to tell us everything, but we kind of have to follow the trail of um, comments to get the information. You understand? Yes, you guys. Thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.